alert system on KNA.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Menard County, Logan County, eastern Woodford County, DeWitt County, eastern Tazewell County, McLean County, southeastern Mason County until 5 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sycamore to near Hartford to near Middletown, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lincoln, El Paso, Atlanta, Danvers, Stanford, Carlock, Congerville, Sycamore, and Arlington around 4:20 p.m. Normal and McLean around 4:25 p.m. Bloomington, Hudson, and Gridley around 4:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Towanda, Waynesville, Lexington, Chenoa, Downs, and Hayworth. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile marker 0 and 28. Interstate 39 between mile marker 0 and 23. Interstate 55 between mile markers 114 and 186. Interstate 74 between mile markers 103 and 151.